Hey there! Welcome to TIPNOLOGY's weekly roundup, where we round up the tips you may have missed over the week. But first, feel like you're missing out? You can find all our tech bites on Instagram at TIPNOLOGY. Our first tip is for Windows users. Up until recently, in order to print portions of documents, a third-party service was needed. Not anymore. If you only need a portion of a document, all you need to do is press the Windows button plus Shift plus S. This will change your mouse cursor to a crosshair. Now, just use your left mouse button to select what you want a screenshot of. With this method, you'll be able to take a selective screenshot of any portion of a document. Next, a tip for iPhone users. Not digging the clutter on your homepage? With iOS 14, you'll find those pesky apps no longer need to be there. Hold your finger down on any part of your screen until your apps begin to shake. Select the minus button on the top left corner of the desired app icon. A menu should pop up with an option that says Remove from Home Screen. Now, if you ever need to find your apps, scroll to the far right page on your home pages, and there they all are, automatically organized. Got an iPhone and an itch to practice that language you started studying? This next tip is for those in-progress polyglots. Adding a language keyboard is a great way to brush up on those skills, and here's exactly how to do it. Go to Settings, then General. Select Keyboard, and then Keyboards. From there, simply scroll through language options until you find the one you're looking for. Happy studying! iOS 14 introduced many features that allow you to customize your home pages, including hiding pages entirely. All you need to do is hold down anywhere on your home page. This can be on an app or just an empty space, until your apps begin to shake. Select the bar with dots at the bottom of your screen. From there, all of your pages should show up. Simply check or uncheck any pages you don't want visible, and there you go. And if you've made a mistake, don't worry. You can check and uncheck the pages at any time by repeating this process. Looking for a quirky way to spice up your relationship with Siri? Try changing Siri's accent. Simply go into Settings, select Siri and Search, and then select Siri Voice. From there, you can select the accent you want as well as change Siri's gender. And don't worry, Siri's accent won't impact any of your time zone or region settings. Not a fan of Apple's standard mail app? Well, here's another option. If you have a Microsoft Office 365 account, Microsoft Outlook for your phone allows you to access all of your email accounts. Simply go to the App Store, download Outlook, and log in with your Office 365 account. From there, set up your other email accounts as prompted. Problem solved. This one's an old classic, but if you find you need to do more complex math than it seems the iPhone calculator can handle, here's a trick. Make sure your lock rotation is turned off by clicking the lock icon in your control center. Then, simply rotate your screen. This will reveal a scientific calculator, packed with more complex functions than the iPhone's standard calculator is capable of. Geek mode activated. Don't forget, you can view all of these tips on our Instagram at TIPNOLOGY. And if you want a specific tip, leave us a comment below and maybe you'll see it in the next roundup. Until then, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. See you next Monday with more tech bites for everyday life.